The goal of the Reimaging the ED workshop is really to push beyond the fundamentals of healthcare. So to take the existing system as we see it, examine specifically what the challenges are that clinicians are facing in the emergency department, and move beyond what we've traditionally done to address those problems.
At the FGI, we have very little opportunity for deep dive in particular parts of the healthcare system. So the intention of these workshops is to bring together the best design talent and the best clinical talent in an event that allows us to really focus on the problems of a particular area or a particular clinical pathway in order to develop solutions that really aren't possible from our older process.
One of the techniques that we're using is really elevating the voice of clinicians, making sure that at the table they're the ones who are speaking the majority of the time, that we're hearing their perspectives. This human-centered design approach that says, you who use the space, you who have the experience in that space, what are your perspectives on what's working and what's not working?
Design thinking needs to be figuring out the next step of patient and quality care. Not 4 walls and a carpet or square footage, but more of the experience. I think you figure out the experience you want to deliver, and the walls kind of start to build themselves around that.
I find it pretty exciting. I've never done it this way before. It's wonderful to have clinicians at the table and to have other people part of the industry who have had the same challenges that we have as an architect of how do you go about designing it. And to hear their inputs and their perspective has been quite enlightening, and I'm enjoying their company.
You get a lot of people in the room from cross disciplines. You can break down barriers and make decisions faster and come to kind of common ground. So I think it's a great setup. It's a great day. It's really well organized. From my perspective, probably long overdue.
We really hope that the people who are here will come away with an excitement and an enthusiasm, and we hope they learn something much more than they will learn in an hour presentation of a PowerPoint. We hope that they will build new relationships and have access to ideas.
There's an educational aspect to what we're doing as well as a functional aspect. The goal being that all of the work that's being done here at the workshop, all of the prototypes that are being created, will go forth as a starting point to influence the FGI guidelines in some way.